What's up, my Jim Bob Jimmies? Today, we're playing RECROOM with the boys. And this time, it's the first video with 2 of the boys. It's the first video with 2 of the boys.
Can you hear him? I don't hear him.
I do hear him. He's saying Whoopang Gangnam Style.
No, I can
Gangnam Style.
I can hear you.
Anyways, today we will be playing a game that they don't know.
Wait,
what
I didn't
playing.
say
They
my
don't know
cat.
what game
I
it
didn't
is.
say restart. I didn't get to say it.
Say it right now.
I'm the dumbest guy on earth. Yeah. You don't need to spam it. You can just say it
I
once.
can't see where I am.
Oi, Mister.
My friend, there's just a full video of us spamming. What's up, my Jim Bob Jimmies? What's up, my Jim Bob Jimmy?
Gun, Jimmy. No, it is reloading.
Guys, I found a very top
Your card.
secret.
Gotta be free chippies.
Will we load into this game? Anyways, today we will be playing. Hold on, so you can just see my face. I mean, that doesn't help if you see my face, but they will be joining in a second. Okay, so we will be playing.
Where am I?
We will be playing whatever this game is.
You know this camera doesn't work, right?
I'm using it so they can see it. Get him!
Did you know your gun doesn't work?
Anyways, let's get into it. Grab a flashlight.
No, can't grab a flashlight, man. My flashlight, man.
And join game.
Hello?
Oh! Guys, we need to collect those.
Hey, guys, I seen something.
Guys, is this Freddy Fazbear?
Ooh.
One toy part collected?
I seen something in the hallway.
What hallway?
That's cool. What is it though?
Oh, I saw something.
Huggy
Wuggy.
Wait, guys, watch him. This is for the video. Watch him for content. We need content, guys.
I see him.
Hello. Guys, watch him slowly approach menacingly. Imagine if he just starts running. That's terrifying. Dip. I don't want content. Dip.
Oh, he's coming. Hey, get back here. Look at him slowly approach.
No!
That was for
Welcome to
content.
heaven.
I don't like heaven. Bye. Bye. My name's Huggy Wuggy. Ba ba ba.
But where'd he go? I got killed and I don't know where I am.
Hi.
I told you, I said, oh.
He
So
can
we're
crawl
in
in
the
the
bed.
vents like he does in the game, by the way. He goes.
Okay.
I used to play this game all the time, not gonna lie.
Wait.
Imagine I just turned out being
See. Go back floor.
Corn's all alone.
Where is corn?
Let's find him.
We have to find corn. New mission, find corn.
I don't trust that vent.
I don't like being left behind.
Hello!
Corn!
He's being chased. He's just said Huggy Wuggy. Toy!
Yes.
Come on.
Creepy go. Free chippies!
Subscribe for free chippy! I totally didn't say subscribe for free chippies.
Yo, bro, he killed me in the vent. Bro, that actually scared me.
Bro,
Well,
I'm so happy I survived the vent. I'm so happy I got out of the vent
Bro, he
before
was
he killed me.
in the vent.
I did not want to die in the vent, so I ran out of the vent and then died.
I've not died once. I left the second you got killed. I was like, no, I'm out.
Bro, he was in the vent.
Wait for another one.
Apple.
My name's Huggy Wuggy! By the way, at one point it starts playing, his name is Huggy Wuggy. By the way, you can buy Spider Huggy and Kissy Missy. Kissy Missy makes Kissy Missy spawn, and Spider Huggy makes Huggy crawl upside down. See what I said?
Oh, he's right.
Oh!
Wait, I never done anything to you.
Fine.
Oh, Toy! Run!
Why, Huggy Wuggy? My name is Huggy Wuggy. My name is not
No,
Huggy
he was
Wuggy,
playing
but
that sound, and then I turned around. He was at the glass.
No, I heard the sound and I looked because I thought he was nearby and I said, Apple?
I'm just having a lovely chill time. I'm just chilling.
Oh no, I
Having
don't like this. We're gonna get caught.
Toy!
I've been
I
here
like
before. How many toy parts do you have? I have 4.
I have 4.
Yeah, I've got 4.
I've not died once yet, so I'm happy I'm not with
Oh,
you.
Wait, let me check
Okay.
my one beautiful thing.
No, I hate the vent.
Bro, this is where he killed me.
Hello? Hello? His name is Huggy.
I hear
Huggy
something.
Wuggy, bunny skimmity,
Hold on, it's gonna
toilet
be-
pop.
It's gonna be the event farm. Oh, it's a little cheese bread.
No, I'll show you what happened. Me and Blueberry were here standing. I was like,
Yeah, I've been
I was
here. I've
explaining
been
what
here.
Rose done. We heard.
Yeah,
I
I'm
was talking about. Oh, by the way, at one point he starts playing the theme song. You know, like
Yeah, he
his name
started
is
playing.
Huggy.
I told Apple.
I started playing. I was like,
He's right there.
I told you. He said, Apple, look behind you. I was like, what? He was right in there. He was right in there. We started running over here and we found you.
Guys, I'm kind of curious. I kind of want to go down that
Hey,
hole.
Huggy, my name isn't Huggy. I hate hugs.
Why did you say that? You have the worst time things. Be quiet, he'll kill you. I got a heart attack. I got a heart attack.
Nah, that was a beautiful moment. Hey, Huggy, my name isn't Huggy, but I love hugs.
Wow! Why? The second you said that,
Bro, I'm just him.
want some free chippies?
Come on, Huggy, come on, Huggy. 1 pound fish. 1 pound fish.
Want some free chippies? Want some free
remember
chippies,
I
Huggy
saw-
Wuggy?
Bro, $1.
He wanted the free chippies. Huggy Wuggy loves his free chippies.
Hi, Huggy, my name is not Huggy. I'm cooked.
Nah, I heard that. I'm running. I'm coming. I see someone. Corn. 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 Corn.
Yeah.
Corn. Come on.
Yes, yeah.
I see Huggy Wuggy. Hey, hey. Oh, no free chippies. Why always me first? You know, by the way, that was me who died.
Yeah, but you're the one going down there because I seen the flashlight go like this.
Huggy Wuggy, you want some free chippies? I know
No,
you're Huggy
he's not
Wuggy in the friend
no.
group. I need to say it because you're Huggy Wuggy in the friend group. Hey, Huggy Wuggy, want some free chippies? I know you love chippies. If you hug me, I'll give you chippies. I'll give you free
He's
chippies.
gonna come from the vent. I don't know why. I feel like he's coming from the vent.
Huggy Wuggy, and he'll let you never.
Huggy Wuggy, you want some free
It's
chippies?
Guys, this is for the content. Mr. Blueberry doesn't like hugs.
Huggy Wuggy,
Okay, he did.
if you hug me, I'll
I
give you
heard
free
him.
chippies. Ah! He's coming from the van! Ah!
No, like.
Run! Guard! He's coming!
Wait.
We're safe.
He's not coming.
You want some free chippies?
Austin.
You just said my.
Oh, he's right there. He's right
Ah! I'm cooked!
there. Go!
Wait.
Hi, want some free
Where am I?
chippies?
Bro.
No, I was like, wait, is he there? I point my flashlight forward and I just see his shadow. Like chapter 4
Yeah,
when he's
bro.
walking.
Me and Corn were just Me and Corn were there.
No, have you seen the ending to Poppy Playtime chapter 4?
No. Don't spoil it for me.
I'm
You
not
gotta make a
going
live
to.
stream on it. Oh, I just do not like this.
I'll give you a tiny hint. They aren't dead.
Does this work? Can everyone hear me?
I'll give you a hint. They are not dead.
Bobby,
Oh my god, I just realized how good. I just realized how good.
One of us should look at the vents. He could come from there.
No, it looks so scary on the camera. If I only use the camera to see.
But where is Corn? We need him. Corn, we would need you in this moment.
Well, I think he's dead, so. Want some free chippies?
No, he
he
is
down
down there. He's down there. I'm telling you.
Oh,
That's where
Huggy
it
wants
came
some free
from.
chippies. I did hear footsteps over there.
I see the light of
Yeah,
Huggy
most likely
Wuggy in the.
from there.
Hi, it's you guys.
Want some free chippies?
Hello. Wait, guys.
I dropped my flashlight. Huggy. His name is Huggy. He
No,
doesn't
one
like
of us look
hugs.
down there. I'll look down here.
Yeah.
Moment.
Guys, I'll look for the window. I'll look at the window. I'll look at the window.
He sacrificed for us. I don't want to look behind me. When he chases you, he'll never stop.
Wait, hold on.
Run like this. Run with your camera. Hide.
I found
Hide
all-
here. This
I
is a safe area. He can't get you
Found all the
behind
toy
here.
part- I found all the toy parts, and now I got to get them all again. Yay! £1 fish. Guys,
Yeah.
I think he's gone. I bet this. I bet
Oh,
it.
guys,
so,
come on.
I bet it.
I took a
no, it's-
beautiful picture and I threw it at spawn.
Guys, someone look for the vent. I'll look for the guys. I'll look for the. Who's gonna look for the vent?
I'll look for here.
I'll
Huggy,
look
you
through the
want some
window.
free chippies?
I'll look for the window.
Summon.
And
Guys,
scream
I'm
what
gonna
the
summon
Sigma
Huggy Wuggy. I'm gonna summon Huggy Wuggy. Camera.
Just scream what the Sigma.
I summoned him.
Oh, stop! Praise myself!
Oh.
Did you see my picture? Did you see my preppy picture? Camera.
Oh, this is terrifying.
Guys?
Camera.
Alright, you guys. If you see what the?
Picture. Oh. Don't leave yet. I need to show you my
Hello.
I said don't leave yet. I had to show you my picture.
Too late.
Huggy Wuggy, I summon you in the
I'll
vents.
look this way. I'll look this way.
I summon you in the vents, Huggy. Camera.
Corn.
I summon Huggy Wuggy behind you.
Okay, what's up? I'm Huggy Wuggy.
Ah!
Disney.
You're supposed to be looking down there. I'm looking for. Oh, guys, he's right there.
Get in the vents. Wait, let's wait here.
Wait, what if he comes through the vent?
Can I not go at the front this time? I don't want to be the.
Oh, he's right
No, you're
behind
going
you,
at the front,
Abby. Run. Run. Ah! Don't leave, I need to show you my picture. Look at my pictures.
Well, can you guys please stop putting me in the front for death? I don't. But we need to support this picture. Look at it.
Yeah, I took that. Look at this picture, moments before disaster. Look in the side of the picture. It's literally
Oh, I
moments
see
before
it. I was-
disaster. I took my
Yippee!
picture with me. It's the one with
Okay.
his mouth. Right there, forever.
Oh,
Did you hear that?
did you hear that? Yep, we heard the same thing. Little my bro Demon Blue. My Demon Blue boy. Oh, hi Demon Blue boy.
Hello.
Don't ask what
I
this
bro,
is.
is
I
it-
took my beautiful picture with me. It's ungrabbable.
cherish
It's
it.
just here.
Cherish the moment before disaster. How about we cherish the disaster? Huggy, make our disaster.
Abracadabra, throw the cameras. Abracadabra, throw the cameras. I summoned the
Abracadabra.
Huggy Wuggy.
I summoned for me. Yeah!
I summoned him. What? Bro, I just spawned it. Wait. Bro, I kept on getting spam jump scared. You'll see it in the video. Hi.
Hello.
hear him
Oh, by the
running.
way, we did see that. We seen Huggy keep eating.
Yeah. He kept on spam killing me.
You watch the vents.
Abracadabra, I summon thee. Abracadabra, throw the camera.
Come on,
Abracadabra,
ladies.
throw
Come
the camera.
on, ladies.
Abracadabra,
One found.
Abracadabra, throw the camera. I summon thee, Huggy Wuggy! Okay, last time that worked.
Anyone in here?
I don't have a flashlight.
Abracadabra, throw the camera. Abracadabra, throw the camera. I
have a
summon thee,
flashlight.
Huggy Wuggy! He's right there! Guys, new picture! Put it in my hand. Go in. Ah! When he hugs you, he'll never stop. Your friend Huggy, Huggy Wuggy, will squeeze you until you pop. This might be the video where we have the baddest luck. Gorg! Oh, it is useless to yell. Go up! This picture will give me luck. What fence? This will give me good luck. Again? What? Ah. I'm being spam killed!
Okay, guys. He's dead. We've lost them. Okay. Bad news. What's the real bad news? The real bad news is I swear Huggy's about to appear. That's the bad news. He's right there. Bad. Blood was in the vents. Blood was in the vents. He was in the vents.
He's in the vents.
Nah, he was in the vents.
Huggy.
We got chased. Bro, I saw him coming and I was like, oh, okay.
I'm always the first one to that. Don't go.
Apple. I saw him through the window and then he just came.
I really want to be a trolling by Kissing Missy or Spider Huggy. I wish I could
I
be
do.
Spider Huggy so bad.
I don't want to see what Kissy Missy would look like though.
Kissing Missy's just Huggy but pink. But
Anybody-
Spider Huggy is a lot
I know.
more terrifying. If you click on it, it shows you.
I know what Kissy Missy is.
No, shoot.
If you click on the
Have you
Spider
just-
Huggy thing, it shows you a picture. It's him crawling upside down.
Let me see
What?
that. Oh,
Didn't that just make Huggy a spider?
guys, we should do this for the content.
Content, let's be sussy among uses.
No, what? Fun fact, he never killed me. Fun fact, never mind.
Who's that?
Fun fact, I'm
Someone's
chasing
here.
you.
No,
Fun
Huggy's-
fact, did you
okay,
know his name
let's
is
just not
Huggy?
stay here. Huggy likes the accent. He comes here every. Okay, he keeps going. Okay, he keeps going into call chat every time he loses us. No. How about we just don't come back immediately to troll him?
His name is
What?
Huggy.
I just see it. What was pictures all around this place? I heard that. So he's far away. He's far away. No, I hate no. Just don't go here. Touch the yellow cube. I've summoned him. Run.
Hello?
Hi.
I touched. Guys, run.
You
Touch
guys,
the
I
yellow
found
cube.
death.
Guys,
I found moment
stuck.
before disaster.
Guys, he's gonna
found-
Oh,
come.
hey,
He's gonna
that's
come.
mine.
Yo, why are we just standing here? We have to do this for content.
No, he's coming. That's the thing. So dead. Which way is he coming down?
He'd never come down this way. I've jinxed it, haven't I? I jinxed it. I know I jinxed it. Wait, should we just sit here?
No.
Yes.
I got my pair of boots.
Wait. Vents again.
This van isn't that big. It's just a little skip.
Oh no.
We should go back. Yeah, we should go in the vents more.
Oh, by the way, watch out. He is down here. Guys, we should go down here. He would never come down here.
Abracadabra, abracadabra, throw the cabra, throw the cabra. I summon the Huggy Wuggy.
He's gonna appear.
I know I'm scared.
Abracadabra, abracadabra, I throw the cabra, I throw the cabra. I
No.
summon the Huggy Wuggy.
Imagine we just hear the music. Oh!
I summon the
Bye-bye,
Huggy
guys.
Wuggy. I summon the Huggy Wuggy. I summon the Huggy Wuggy. He went into the vent. No, 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 it's before the Hi! His name is Huggy. Huggy Wuggy. When he hugs you, you never stop. Your friend Huggy. Huggy Wuggy.
Stop! I'm a ghost! I'm a ghost!
I got a new picture. It's pretty Sigma.
Why do you guys keep leaving me for the sacrifice?
Near you.
Hi.
Near you.
Guys, I got a new picture. It's moments before disaster, but even better.
Let me
Turn
see.
the light on.
Whoa,
so we get
moments before
flashbacks.
disaster!
Why me?
Oh my god. Oh. Huggy. Oh! Nah, bro, this is moments before disaster. I need to stop accidentally taking pictures. Those are for my moments before disaster. Guys, I took another picture of
Oh, by the way, Apple, I collected every single thing.
Bro, where is it? Where's the last one?
Oh, it's near here. It was in a bed. Me and Jacob were... No, I mean, beep that out. Corn.
He can't bleep stuff out. He sucks at it. He can't.
Hey,
Corn can teach you. He's a better editor. I watched these videos.
he can.
I know, but he can't. He can't edit
My
it
video-
because he won't.
Yeah, I'm talking about like screen sharing, you know.
Guys.
You also said my
second
real
time
name
as-
like 6 times.
Who?
Guys,
You.
Oops.
guys, I need to find.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
This will go good for my moments before disaster. Moments before disaster. Guys! My last toy! Guys! Stop running! It's me! Bro, I'm not a skinwalker. Ah! See what you've done! Nightmare critters come to play, gross you out in every way. Something giving you the jitters might just be the nightmare critters. We stalk you while you're sleeping. We're cuddly, cute, and creepy. Is something giving you the jitters might just be the nightmare critters. Do you have any ibuprofen? I got a headache. Do you have any ibuprofen? I got a headache. Do you got any ibuprofen? I got a headache. Do you got any ibuprofen? I have a headache. I have a headache. I have a headache. Do you got any ibuprofen? I have a headache. Do you have any ibuprofen? I got a headache. This is giving me PTSD from when I always used to play this. Cuddly, cute, and creepy is something giving you the jitters, not just being a nightmare critter. Guys, I got a new moments before disaster pick.
Nah, bro, me and Mr. Demon Blue guy, me and Mr. Blueberry are, Mr. Chicken Boy.
Wait, guys. Wait, this is our friendship corner. Oh. Wait,
bro, me
if
and
Huggy can track us. If Huggy, oh, he's tracking us.
Oh my god, he's right behind you.
Clicked.
Booga friendships, don't leave friends behind. No!
No!
Ooga.
Guys, you. Do you have any ibuprofen? I got a headache. Something giving you the jitters. Might just be the nightmare crit. We're cuddly, cute, and creepy. That is the best one by far. Best one by far. I'm sticking that to my hand. Might just be the nightmare critters. 10-year moment before disaster pictures.
I found one of the objects.
Yo, I found something. I
We
found
have to make a risk.
Guys, first let's go hang up my pictures. Never mind.
with me. Oh wow, I found another one. Come with me.
Guys, hold on. Let me place my pictures here to memorize. There's one eating. There's one eating. My heart. That gave me a heart attack.
Go.
Hey, Apple.
Sorry, I can't hear you. You're running away from me.
Have you escaped?
Yeah, we're literally about. I'm about to escape the second time.
Hold on, let me
He's
just
about to
escape
escape
real
the
quick.
park.
Let me just escape real quick. I'd kill for a new toy. Smiling critters go to pop. Smiling critters.
Oh wow, can I tell you something? This will be my third time escaping.
We need
If I
one
get the-
more.
And then this
Wait,
will be my
one
third time escaping. I've escaped 2 times.
Alright,
Nice.
I'm
Before
gonna.
you escape. Before you escaped once. These 2 pictures.
Go.
What are you?
No, booga boogers, don't leave booga boogers.
I feel bad.
Booga booga. Go. Alright, we have to find one more corn.
Yes, we have And what more and then we're
Uh-oh.
Damn it.
We're cooked.
not cooked. Because we are cooked. It just works. every
Yes!
time.
Yeah!
We're free! This will be my first time.
I need
Guys,
3
I'm from the
more
actual-
parts. I need 3 more parts.
Just to be your second time to escape. This will be my third. Come on, come on.
Yo, another one. I'm
Bro,
just
I
like,
have to find the exit immediately.
Oh.
And our toys will be...
take that to the glass area.
The glass area.
I attached
Wait,
it.
why are we even collecting this? It just restarts every time.
Yeah.
I don't know. I
Wait,
just
what?
like collect. What? Bro,
We collected all 6.
I heard that baby noise. Spider Huggy's back.
Spider huggy.
Yeah, sometimes they just spawn
Oh.
you crawling now.
Hi. Come see my new collection. I love my collection. I heard something in the
Yeah.
vent.
No, Ooga Booga!
No! Beautiful. Do you have any ibuprofen? I got a headache.
Well, that was fast.
Guys, hold
Should the
on.
video end now? Should the video end now? We've been doing this forever.
First,
Yeah.
Listen,
Chicken, you
listen
must
to
see this
Huggy,
photo.
tell
It
the
is you
truth.
being eaten.
Remember to take breaks. We need to take a break.
This is how good the fault was.
Just 6. Oh, by the way, me and him are just using some random stuff to just spawn at each other every time.
Yeah,
Get
don't
over
ask
here,
it,
come on.
definitely.
It's our special technique. We can't tell anyone it. It's really special.
We need to go to the light.
It's really special. We might tell you. It
Anyways, this will be the end of the video.
Cheers.
This will be the
I'm the dumbest guy on
Shay.
earth. I'm the dumbest guy on earth. I'm the dumbest guy on earth.
Anyways, this will be the end of the
Chevy.
video. Hope you enjoyed.
Cheers.
Please help us. No! That will be the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.